The values for automobiles, personal property, and so forth are left up to the debtor. When it comes to household furnishings, furniture, chairs, tables, and so forth, what we try to do is we try to assign a garage sale value. What somebody would pay for it. What would a willing buyer pay and what would a willing seller sell it for? It's 2-3 years old. The dog was chewing on the corner of the sofa. The kids were playing on it, spilling soda. We look to see what the current value is. Not the replacement value, not what it would cost to purchase a new item, but what is your item worth? And generally, they usually fall in between $1,000, $2,000 for everything in the home. An automobile, we look up the values. We have a service we subscribe to, and we look up the values on Black Book.